Okay, so I'm in the hotel and I'm about to walk over to the train station to go home for a day. I'm feeling a little nervous just because it's weird being like living in the woods all day, every day, and then suddenly being in a city and like on transportation. Um, but I think it'll be good. And I'm excited to see the graduation and then kind of excited to like have a goal, like something and some people to catch. So, that's that. And I'll update you guys later on how the graduation goes.